With so much going on in your assemblies and production lines already, tracking costs and wastage can be tricky. BI Vision Production can help you to understand where you're overspending and how much you're using unnecessarily. Over time, you'll be able to track details like when it's the best time of year to do your production runs and from which warehouse it's more efficient to pull assembly stock. In this example, I can set my date range and compare this year's and last year's total assembly cost. Then understand more about the products assembled or the components within them. There's real value in being able to quickly and easily see my wastage costs, including which warehouses this comes from. And just like other BI Vision pages, you can save this all as a screenshot and create beautiful customized dashboards to immediately return to the data that's most important to you.